Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share two things. Number one, I have a few Christmas cards that I've gotten from some friends that I'd like to share with you. And then number two, I want to give away from Erica and Sherry over at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. I will link their channel down below. If you guys are not already subscribed, go check them out. You will not be disappointed. They are lots and lots and lots of fun. All right, real quick before I get started on showing you all of my fantastic stuff, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. I do have a 900 subscriber giveaway coming up. I promise I have not forgotten. I just have to get through the holidays. Mentally, I can't take anymore. I'm going insane. More insane. I don't know, guys. So anyways, that's going to be coming up. And then the next one after that will be for 950 subscribers, which we are already halfway there. So thank you so very much to all of you who are already subscribed. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner or the red subscribe button down below, and you will be subscribed and officially part of my YouTube family, which, by the way, is a requirement to be entered into any of my giveaways. You must be publicly subscribed. If you have any questions about that, leave it down below and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. All right, who's ready to see what we got? The giveaway was a mystery giveaway, so I have no clue what they gave me, but I want to go through my Christmas cards first. So the first one is from one of my fellow YouTubers, and it is from Stephanie at Opinionated Horsewoman. It does have addresses on the front, so I will show you the sticker on the back. Then we'll go ahead and pull it out and take a look and see what it says. I love Stephanie. Her channel is so great. She is another subscription box. Oh my gosh, I sent her the same card. Stephanie, that's funny. I think I sent you the same card. If not, then it's very similar, and the one you sent me is one that I've sent to tons of people because, guys, I am obsessed with these red trucks. So, all right. Anyways, scroll moment. Stephanie is one of my fellow YouTubers. She also does subscription box unboxings, so I will link her channel down below. Make sure you go check her out. You will not be disappointed with that one either, guys. I'm telling you, I am so spoiled with my YouTube family. Spoiled. But let me get my glasses on so I can read these cards to you guys. Sorry for the glare. Gosh, well now I can just see how messy my hair is. It's chaos. It's chaos hair. Haha. All right, so it says season's greetings, and there is my beautiful, beautiful red truck. I love the red truck. All right, let's read the inside of the card. It says, wishing you a holiday season filled with joyous moments. Love, Stephanie. And it's got some stickers on the inside. Stephanie loves her stickers. We've got some glitter, a snowflake, and of course, we've got our little unicorn sticker. And Stephanie's channel is called Opinionated Horsewoman, just in case I didn't say that. I'm sure that I did, but it's me. Can you tell I'm a little riled up? Big thanks to Stephanie for sending me my first Christmas card of the year. Next, we have a Christmas card from one of my subscribers. Her name is Jerry. I've enjoyed chit-chatting with her for, oh my gosh, quite a while now. She's a very, very sweet lady. And she sent us a Christmas card that says, Merry Christmas with love from Jerry and Smokey Joe. And Smokey Joe must be her cat. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cat. Look at those eyes. Thank you, Jerry. I really appreciate you thinking of me. The next one is from another one of my subscribers. Her name is Sarah. It says, the magic of Santa is just a wish away. Heck yeah, it is. That is a beautiful card. I love it. It's got sparkles on it too. It says, Chaos, Jen, and family. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas and the happiest of New Year's. I hope you and your family have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for sharing them along with your WW journey with us. Love, Sarah Kelly. Thank you, Sarah. Alrighty, and the last card that I got for today is from another subscriber. Her name is Kathy. She's got a snowflake sticker on the back for us. Another pretty glitter one. Guys, I swear I could just put these up in my office and keep them up all year long. Look at that. It is a wreath and it is glittery also. I think all 4 of my cards were glittery except for Jerry's, who had those beautiful, beautiful cat eyes on it, which is just as good. All right, Jen and Steve and family. I'm so lucky that you guys just embrace my family. You embrace the entire chaos group. Thinking of you and hoping your home is filled with happiness and your world with joy at Christmas and always. Merry Christmas, Kathy, your YouTube friend. Thank you, Kathy. I love it. Beautiful cards. All right, now let's get into this giveaway. This is what the box looks like. This was for a collab that they did. And actually, it was a Christmas gift exchange collab, I think. And I don't know, Erica and Sherry, it's 2 women who host this channel. They both did it. So I don't know if I won Sherry's giveaway or Erica's giveaway, but I'm assuming we'll find out when we open this up. And there's a card right on top. And oh my gosh, look guys, they wrap stuff. Ooh. There is a card and it says Jen. Look at these stickers. I need to open this without messing up those stickers. Guys, I love Christmas. It is my favorite holiday. Okay. Oh, it's a snowman and it has a glitter. How cute is that? Yes, I love it. All right, let's see. Wishing you a magical and memorable Christmas. Have a wicked awesome Christmas and New Year. XOXO, Sherry and Erica of Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Again, guys, their channel is down below, so make sure you go check them out. It says, Jen, congrats on winning the Cozy Christmas Collab giveaway. You could not have won at a better time. It's like getting an extra Christmas present, which brings us to wishing you and your family the happiest of holiday seasons. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel, XOXO, Sherry and Erica. Thank you, guys. I cannot wait to see what's in here. It is like Christmas. And I don't have to share with my kids right now because they're not in here. So we have a little purse that says my little bag of... It has a bad word on it. But you know what? This is exactly what I need. I cannot wait to take this to work and show it to everybody. It says my little bag of F's. I think this is from the subscription box, Smartass and Sass. Oh my goodness. Yeah. My little bag of F's. And then it came with a little sticky note that says a penny for good luck and a quarter from our state. Ooh, candy. I'm like a kid. I'm like, that will be gone before I leave this office. Got peppermint patties. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Ghirardelli snowman. Lindor chocolate. I'm going to take this to work and stress eat it tomorrow. The holidays stress anybody else out? I don't know. Look. It's the Grinch Hershey Kisses. No way. I've never seen those before. Here's our first little package. Let's see what we got. Oh, here's the quarter from their state. I wondered where it went. I wonder if we'll find a penny in there. My little bag of F's. Look. You guys. It's a little angel. I love it. And it's got a hook on it so I can hang it in front of my window. And it's got the glass. It's going to sparkle all year long. That is beautiful. Oh, thank you. Okay. I don't know where to start. Right. We have makeup removing cloths. Can't go wrong with these. I've never seen this brand before. They're the Vintage Cosmetic Company. That's what it says right there. I love vintage anything. Oh, look, there's all three. There's 3 of them. And they're just classic navy blue. That is awesome. It makes me want to go redecorate my bathroom so I can have like a vintage look going on with these vintage makeup removers. If you guys haven't used these before, you really got to try them out. I love them. Look at these little Grinchy Hershey Kisses. Got a ton. A ton. These are cute too. Look at the bottom of those. Oh, it's a heart. All right, box number 2. All right, next one. What is this? The shot glass. Oh, yeah. Told you they were from Boston. Look, tis a Boston shot glass. And this is going to go right here on my shelf. Thank you very much. Thank you. More chocolate. Another snowman. See, I can't even talk. Getting all riled up. We have another Christmas wrapped package. Let's go ahead and open this one up. I'm just like rambling all over the place. You think I'm going to sound like this on Christmas morning? I don't know. Anyways, look at this. Eco Tools Clean Beauty, Clean Planet Enhancing Eye Set. 4 brush heads to complete any look. So it's makeup brushes. They're like double-ended. Double-ended. I'll show you what I'm trying to say. Alright, look. They got a brush on each head. And these are really cool looking too. Look. See, you've got the angled brush on one end. And then you've got the... What is that? For the middle part, the crease. The creasing brush on the other end. Then you've got a blending brush on one end. And then on this one, it is another, I don't know, another crease brush. I have no idea. Thank you. I'm all about the eyeshadow brushes because if my girls are going to steal any brushes from me, it's going to be my eyeshadow brushes. Alrighty. Next package. Look at this little cute snowman wrapping paper. Isn't it cute? It's cute. It's Christmas time and the chaos. Oh, I've been watching other people open these. Look. It's these Christmas ornament face masks. Hallelujah. Skin clearing vanilla extract and milk essence face mask by Spa Life. That is adorable. And they say you can hang them on the tree. Yeah, look. See? I could actually hang this on the tree if I wanted to risk my kids taking it from me. Next, we have a Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. It is by So AE. I'm not quite sure if that's how you say it or not. But there you go. Very nice. Thank you. And then we have some 100% pure Bright Eyes Deep Puff and Brighten eye mask. And these are really hard to read. No. And that is what those look like. I love eye mask. More Grinches. Oh, here's my penny. My penny for good luck. It's going to go in my little bag of F's. And yes, I'm going to say that over and over and over again because I think it's awesome. I can't wait to show everybody at work tomorrow. All right. Next package. Gel hand sanitizer. My hands are consuming more alcohol than my mouth. Totally did not see that coming. Heck yes. This is going to work too. Guys, I am a nurse. So, I mean, you can just imagine what kind of sense of humor we have. My little bag of F's and my alcohol hand sanitizer, which I know hand sanitizer has alcohol in it, but the fact that my hands are consuming more, that's perfect. Thank you very much. We've got some more snowman chocolate that I don't have to share with my kids, but I will because then I'll feel guilty. And we have another package. You guys are so awesome. This is such a generous giveaway. My goodness. Thank you. Ooh, pretty. These are 2 products by Revolution. This is an eye primer. Very happy to have that. And then this is a gorgeous lip gloss. Well, I'm not familiar with Revolution, so I'm excited to give these a try. And I don't have anything in this color, believe it or not. So y'all hit the jackpot with this one too. I was not expecting everything to be wrapped. That's awesome. It really is like Christmas. What could this be? Might have a handle, might not, I don't know. But y'all know I collect my coffee cups, so this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. You guys are spoiling the heck out of me. I need this for work too. The struggle is real. Yes, it really, really is. Really, really, really is. And this is perfect for my office all year long. I usually try and change out my office coffee cup with the holidays, but guys, this is an everyday perfect cup. I'm so glad I chose to open this tonight. I was having such a rotten day, and this just made it perfect. Look at this. It's a glittery Santa. Santa, stop here. This is going to have, look at the feet. This is going to have to go right on my front door or in my window. I think I might put it in my window so people can see it from the outside. That is adorable. Thank you very much. Ooh, look at this. They got their own little card or sticker. I don't know what it is. It's holographic and it's awesome is what it is. That is awesome. I want to get some. I want some. All right. We got 3 more things in here and more chocolate too. Last 3 chocolates. Wow. Wow. Oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just in case I haven't already said it a million times. No! Mud Masky! Just watched another YouTuber open something from Mud Masky, and I was like, I really have to try that. Well, guess what? Now I have some. Hair mask and scalp treatment and miracle shampoo. 3-in-1 formula. I have heard good things about this company. Oh, it has a safety seal on it, so I can't smell it, but we're not going to complain about that, because safety seals nowadays are so important, so it's all good, I understand. Next package is another cute little snowman package. I collect these. I collect Ace Beauté palettes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, Steve is just going to be shocked when he sees all this. And I don't even have this one. I've never even heard of it. Here's what the package looks like. It does have a mirror, so let me hide that. It's also got a color saver, so I'll take that off. Look at these colors, you guys. Ace Beauté is my favorite. Can you see them? That is gorgeous. Oh, I love those purples. There's like 3 different shades of purple. Very pretty. The shades, let me read these to you guys. Apple, squash, pumpkin pie, autumn pine cone, cherry pie, spice, cranberry, chestnut, persimmon, cider, and candy corn. Look at this cider one. That is gorgeous. And this is the Falling For You palette. That is perfect. You guys have no idea. I'm going to have to do a video and show you guys all of my Ace Beauté palettes. I do have a ton. When I say I collect them, I really do. How did you guys know? And then we have one more package. This one's kind of heavy. And that's what this one looks like. We've got a things I'd love to get done checklist. Heck yeah. And then this. Let's just sleep. Grace and Stella's sleep mask. Wow. Oh, this is a nice one, guys. Look. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. It's got a little Velcro on the back. How do I look? I look like I'm ready to go to bed. I'm going to eat my chocolate, have a cup of coffee, decaf, and go to bed. This is awesome. So this is a hot and cool gel bead eye mask. Very nice. And it's really soft on this side. Super soft. That's awesome. I love these. These are like perfect for migraines. Perfect. All right, guys. That's everything that I got. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much to Sherry and Erica, guys. This was like right up my alley. It's like you guys know me or something. I don't know, but it was definitely right up my alley. I love everything that I got. I couldn't be more excited. And thank you so much to Stephanie, Jerry, Kathy, and Sarah for my Christmas cards. All right, guys. I have to go show Steve everything that I got. I can't wait to show him. Thank you guys very, very much for sticking with me on this one. That was a lot of stuff. I am definitely spoiled rotten. But anyways, I will let you go. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing, I would truly, truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep on smiling. Bye.